Just when you thought the Isles of the Lost had told its finale tale, Descendants 5 is breaking the rules and rewriting the legacy. New villains, new magic, and a royal twist that will leave even Mal speechless. Get ready to return to Auden like never before. This isn't just a sequel, it's a full-blown legacy reboot. Hold up, did Disney flip the entire Descendants universe upside down? Yes, Descendants 5 The Rise of Fred is officially coming, and this is not the sequel fans were expecting. A bold new chapter begins as a fresh generation of villains. Kids steps into the spotlight, bringing more drama, more magic, and way more chaos. This time, it's not about May, Elvie, or Jay. It's all about Red, the rebellious and the fearless daughter of the Queen of Hearts, the Clo. The picture-perfect daughter of Cinderella and Prince Charming, two girls from completely different worlds now forced into an unlikely alliance when a mysterious magical artifact threatens to shatter the balance between good and the evil. That artifact? The White Rabbit's enchanted pocket watch. That's right, time travel is officially part of the Descendants universe, and it's opening doors to alternate timelines, dangerous past, and a future that could crumble everything Auden stands for. As Red grapples with her villainous lineage, she must confront her mother, the powerful and dangerous Queen of Hearts, played by pop icon Rita Ora, who is determined to take back control and rewrite her own legacy. Meanwhile, Clo struggles with the pressure of being perfect and following rules that may no longer apply. Together, they'll be tested in ways no VKs ever have before. And here's the twist that is everyone buzzing around. We might not have seen the last of original Descendants cast. There are major rumors of surprise cameos from Dove, Sophia Carson, and even Boo Boo Stewart. Whether through magical flashbacks, alternate dimensions, or game-changing plot twists, could the OG VKs return to help save Auden one last time? Fans are already losing their mind. And let's talk about the music. Disney is promising original songs that are bigger, darker, and more theatrical than ever. Imagine a Wonderland-themed dance sequence with wild visuals, trippy sets, and Broadway-level performance. The stakes are higher, the villains are rising, and the clock is ticking. Descendants: The Rise of Red premieres July 12, 2025 exclusively on Disney+. So mark your calendars, VK fans. The next era of Auden is coming, and it's going to change everything. And that's everything we know so far about Descendants 5. With fresh faces, familiar favorites, and a whole new generation of mischief, this new chapter is bound to be the most magical one yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss a spellbinding update. Until next time, stay wicked.